with too much traffic, and you can see this is a property where we are going to stay. We are traveling somewhere in the middle of the jungle. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. Both the sides it's lush green, and in the middle of the road, middle of the forest, we are riding on the middle of the road. Beautiful mountain. From here I guess we need to take this short diversion. Actually that side of the road is closed. The views are pleasant this side. We are almost at 136 km left behind. That's gonna take 3.5 hours more. That means the routes are not going to be so great. And the time right now is almost 10 o'clock. Till now I didn't find a place to have breakfast. Let's see. Maybe if while crossing Dharmapuri we might find some good restaurants or good places to have breakfast, no matter if it is a street side breakfast also. Most of the sides, the roads are under construction, which is making me take more time to reach my destination. Sometimes I have to take the diversion towards the left or towards the right. Same road is being used for going and coming, which makes it very difficult for ride, especially when you have both the panniers loaded on your side. The drone footages, or at least an Insta360, to show some different angles while shooting this model road. But nevertheless, eventually, some or the other day, I would definitely go for it to make the motovlogs more scenic and more beautiful, so that you guys can sit back, relax, and enjoy. Signboard for taking the diversion back to the original lane where we should be. We are driving on the wrong lane at a speed of 80 and 90 because we don't have much vehicles going on right now. It's seeing the mountains. Now it's beautiful. Especially on a beautiful weather with the mountain scenic view. It's actually beautiful to watch the mountains while you ride on the highway. Dharmapuri is around 38 from here and Salem is 100 kilometers from here. So we are going towards the Dharmapuri side, which is around 38 from here. A lot of construction works are going on, which is making it really difficult to speed up. be fun to ride on that ghat section or the hairpin bends. At the same time, it's risky too. If you're not practiced enough riding on the mountains, you should not attempt that. Alright guys, sorry for the delay. We are about to reach and it's another 20 kilometers left. And from here the hairpin bend starts, the ghat section which I was talking about today's morning. So we got held up because of the extreme heat that we have currently in Tamil Nadu, and also the traffic conditions were pathetic. The roads were not that great, and as you can see here also in the ghat section, it's too much traffic. I'll show you if I get any views. So that was a small toll, or basically you can say the ticket price that they were taking. So that was not for two-wheelers, so we bypassed that. You can see the views are absolutely scenic and beautiful. It's gonna take 1 hour almost for the next 20 kilometers, but the views are great. The time is almost 2:20 right now, so hopefully we'll get there by 3:20. If you don't stop anywhere in between to enjoy the views. Just look at the views. It's absolutely stunning. Cannot show it properly because the roads are very curved. The hairpin bends are actually risky. It is looking more risky, more dangerous. We motovloggers really need to work hard for you guys to make content, and if you guys are watching and if you don't like or share or subscribe, it really feels bad. Started raining now. The views are absolutely gorgeous. There's no shade to hide from rain. traffic as well in this area. You can see we have small waterfalls as well, flowing all the way from top of the mountain. Only 700 meters and traffic is actually huge. It's better to walk in this type of road rather than riding or driving. It's more difficult for the car owners, the car drivers driving on this road. You can see the congestion in front of me. I was supposed to reach here by 3:05 and now it's 3:25 and still I'm struggling with the last 600 meters. I guess this is the boathouse or something, the lake road. You can see on the Google map also on my right side we have the Yercaud lake, which is actually very famous. So the stay is actually 500 meters, so I can definitely come for a morning walk and show you the scenic views in the morning. Actually I couldn't show the hilltop, the top view from the mountains. I tried stopping, but this was the condition throughout the way and couldn't find a place to park my bike and show you the views. So this is the Yercaud lake which I was talking about. We do have So finally we arrived at the location with too much traffic, and you can see this is our property where we are going to stay. It was huge traffic. The time right now is 3:34. This is the property where we are going to stay. So I'm ending this vlog right now right here. So we'll catch up anytime soon.